Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great and having a wonderful day. Today video is beautiful of Christmas craft ideas that are easy to make, budget friendly and perfect for decorating your home. If you enjoy creative DIY projects, then stay with me until the end because every idea is unique and simple. Before we begin, I want to say a very special thank you to all my new amazing viewers support. A special thank you to Manwa, Ladies, Beatrice for your lovely comment. Your kind words truly made my day. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Comments like yours inspire me to create even better content. Now let's get started. Our first Christmas craft is simple yet elegant. You can decorate with ribbon, pine cone, bell, batteries, or small ornaments. The warm colors create a cozy holiday feeling and make your home look festive. The second idea is perfect for anyone who loves rustic Christmas decoration. Using affordable materials, you can create a beautiful decoration that looks expensive but it is actually very easy to make. Our third craft adds a natural Christmas touch to your home. Small decorative details can completely change the final look, making it elegant and eye-catching. The fourth project is great of your living room, dining table, or entryway, and handmade decorations always bring a special feeling because they are made with love and creativity. The fifth craft is one of my personal favorite. It has a warm and cozy style that match atmosphere almost every Christmas theme. Our sixth idea is quick and beginner friendly. Even you have never made DIY craft before, you can easily follow along and create something beautiful. The seventh decoration is perfect for giving as a handmade gift, family, and always friends. Always appreciate gifts that are made with care. Our eighth craft combines simple materials into a stylish decoration. Sometimes the easiest ideas become the most beautiful ones. The ninth project is another budget-friendly decoration that are make your Christmas setup look more beautiful without spending too much money. Finally, our 10th Christmas craft is the perfect finishing touch for your holiday decorations. It is bring warmth, happiness, and Christmas spirit into your home. I hope these ideas inspire you to create your own beautiful Christmas decoration this year. Don't be afraid to add your own colors and creative style because handmade decoration are always unique. Now I have a small question for all of you. Which craft was your favorite today? Tell me in the comment below. I love read your every single comment and I reply whenever I can. If your comment is selected, may even mention your name in one of my upcoming video. Thank you for being such an amazing and supportive YouTube family. Your likes, comments, and shares help my channel grow every day. I'm so happy because our channel is growing and it is all of because of your love and support. Thank you for your believing in me and encouraging me to keep creating new videos. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss my upcoming video. Thank you again to have a beautiful day, stay creative and stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Every like, every comment and every view means too much to me. Thank you for your support, bottom of my heart, for supporting my small channel. Your kind words give me motivation to create better videos every day. Seeing your positive comment truly make my day brighter. Thank you for taking few moments to leave such a beautiful comment. Our channel is growing little by little and that is only because of amazing supporters like you. Every subscriber bring me closer to my dream. I can't thank you enough for being part of this journey. I have fun question for you. Which Christmas craft would you love to make first? Let me know in the comment below. Tell me where are you watching from. I love seeing viewers from different countries around the world. Remember, creativity has no limits. With a little imagination and small materials, you can create something truly beautiful. And thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me today. Your support means more than words can say. And enjoying reading single comment. If you leave a kind and creative comment, your name could be mentioned in my next video. Your comments are always welcome, and I love giving shout out to my wonderful subscribers. And let's continue growing this creative family together. I have many exciting Christmas DIY ideas coming soon. Your support inspire me to upload more beautiful videos, creative videos regularly.